Vamos a hacer una cazuela bien simple y rápida. For the guys in the kitchen, para los hombres en la cocina. Un poco de aceite. Just gonna add all that I have actually. Vamos a echar todo lo que tengo, que es aceite de oliva. Gonna add the chicken. I have two of this. Tengo dos tutos largos o tutos completos, no sé cómo se llaman. We're just gonna add some salt to the chicken. We're gonna chop some onions. I also found un poquitito de apio también. We're gonna add apio. And then we're adding celery and onion. Eso, vamos a añadir apio, cebolla. Throw it in there. Carrot. I have two carrots right here. Tengo dos. ¿Cómo se llama? Zanahorias. Tal como están con la cáscara. Now we're gonna do the onion. Ahora vamos a hacer la cebolla. Gonna add maybe all. Quizás vamos a hacer toda la cebolla. I'm not sure yet, but by the way, if you have this type of knife, if you tienes este tipo de cuchillo, this is the better knife for things that are gonna be moist or wet. Este es un buen cuchillo para las cosas que se van a humedecer o que tienen líquido. So basically any vegetables that you have is the best knife for. Because it's easy, it comes out easily. Sale más fácil el cuchillo. We're gonna add some potatoes too. If you want to add big potatoes, that's okay. I prefer the smaller. Me gustan más las papas chiquititas estas, pero si tú quieres usar papas grandes, like you can adapt to all of this. I'm just thinking of one or two people max. Yo estoy pensando en una o dos personas. El pollo no está congelado por si acaso. And with that, it could be enough. Add some herbs, alguna hierbita. And if you have peas, si tienes arvejas, mejor. If you don't have peas, you can use green beans, o se puede usar porotos verdes si no tienes arvejas. In this case, I have mixed with carrots. I know that I already chopped the carrot, but it doesn't matter. And the more vegetables you add, the better. Mientras más vegetales añadas, mejor. Try with the egg. See how the chicken is looking. Yeah. So now we're just gonna add some water. This water is warm. Esta agua está caliente, but it can be cold too. It doesn't matter. It will just take a little bit longer. Agua hervida, agua tibia, agua fría. Solamente va a cambiar cuánto tiempo necesitas esperar. How long you need to wait. And also it depends on how much liquid you want in the soup, right? Depende de cuánto líquido quieras en la sopa. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I like a lot of liquid, so a mí me gusta harta sopa. So this should take like an hour to 45 minutes. Entre una hora y 45 minutos debería tomar esto, que es lo que se demora en cocinar el pollo. And that's it. So we're gonna leave it there and we'll check it later, but I have a lot of videos of this same dish if you want to go check them out. This was just like to show you how fast you can do it. So it's 10 minutes that I've been recording. Está grabando 10 minutos without editing right now. Maybe I'm gonna edit some. Yeah, it's 11 minutes maximum to get this done. If you have everything chopped before, si tienen todos los ingredientes cortados antes, mejor. And I'm gonna just leave it at medium heat. Voy a dejarlo a temperatura media. I'll show you in like an hour or something how it ends. Como termina en una hora. Está lista la cazuela. The soup is ready. Just gonna serve. Vamos a servir uno de los pollos. Y después todas las verduritas. Some of the chicken and then all the vegetables. And that's it. If you want, you can add more potatoes after, or rice, or more chicken, or whatever, right? Y si quieren después pueden agregarle más pollo, más papas, más arroz, lo que quieran. That's it. But the best part is the soup. Listo, nos vemos. Ese es el video. Bon appetit.